This is a library?
Yeah.
This is the library now?
Over there, down this way.
Okay. When was this built, do you know? Or finished being built?
We were very
Is this all part of the Discovery Center too?
Yeah.
So where's the museum? 2023.
It's the sixth largest in the state.
What's the largest? Oh, these are like reading corners.
Yeah.
That's cool. You can sit here and charge your stuff.
Yeah. Those are like the kids and then like all the teams and then all the stuff is upstairs.
Upstairs?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Where's like the museum stuff?
I don't know.
Oh.
I've only ever seen the dinosaur and I was like, oh, that's a cool dinosaur. And then that's it.
Is that a T-Rex?
It's gotta be. What else would it be?
I don't know. I feel like the bone proportions seem off.
It's a Dingosaurus. It's just classic Dingosaurus.
Please use the stairs.
You can like rent out like packs, like or check them out.
What do you mean packs?
Like it'd be like, hey, if you want to go camping, you can like check out something to go take camping.
Oh,
I think.
like a tent?
A kit.
Oh,
And then they have like cool 3D printers and stuff.
what are these?
Lodi bot. A Wacom tablet.
You could check out a ukulele. You have 3D printers, and these you can like rent to use.
I think you just pay for like how much you use. Like you don't have to rent it. Like you just come use it.
Can I go inside?
Yeah.
I have 3D printers.
basically the engineering building.
Reservation required. I have a computer lab. What is this? Do you know?
It's an FPL1 maker.
It's a laser. Full spectrum laser. All of these are stuff you can just reserve and use. A liquid resin 3D printer. Cool.
Las Vegas. Look, what is this? Why did you go straight to the long there? What the heck?
I didn't even notice. Manga.
All popular stuff.
Boruto, Naruto.
Hitomi-chan style. The heck? Why is the Iliad here?
That's a graphic novel.
Both manga and graphic novels.
Movies, TV shows. Oh, these are all the study rooms. You can see when it's available. Can you schedule it here?
I guess, yeah.
More manga. Here's the quiet reading room. Okay. Let's go back down. Pretty much it. Do you have a library card?
No. Never checked out the book in like.
Really?
Like, yeah, I've probably checked out a book in like a decade. I think I read.
Okay, let's go. So this is, if you make a reservation online for a book, this is where they put it, right?
Yeah.
And then you can pick it up here.
It has like a ladder, yeah.
And you check out here. Everything's automated. Wow.
Yeah, you don't have to scan anymore.
Oh, there's a shop there too. What's up this stairs?
I think it takes you like, so you can see like quiet.
Oh, directly to the quiet room.
I don't think directly, but like turn around. You can go up.
Frisco Library.